This may come as a surprise. But your attitude is more important than your aptitude in determining your success in life. "21 Days to a Positive Attitude Habit," life coaching author Patricia Wagner. Just how critical is attitude to achievement? Well, take a look at one of the greatest inventors of the last 200 years, Thomas Edison. Every time you turn on a light switch, you experience the result of his persistence in the face of continuous failure. Edison tried 10,000 times to get his light bulb invention to work, but failed each time. However, he had this to say about his lack of success: "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." You can learn to have this kind of outlook on life, but it needs to be purposefully installed into your daily living. You probably know it takes about 21 days to break a habit by replacing it with a new one. If you are plagued with persistent negative thoughts toward life, you can replace this mindset with a new positive attitude habit. Here is a 21-day 5-step program to change a negative attitude to a positive one. 1. Take charge of what you're thinking. This is a moment-by-moment decision that doesn't happen overnight. It's a habit that will take some time to build. How can you do this? Choose to think uplifting thoughts instead of discouraging ones. You get to decide what you think, which in turn determines how you feel. Become aware of this and dwell on positive ideas throughout the day. At first you may have to force yourself to find something positive. Consider keeping a journal and write down at least one good thing in your life each day for 3 weeks. Then think about these blessings instead of discouraging thoughts. 2. Read inspirational material. During this 21-day training period, fill your mind with good thoughts. The best book of all to read is that priceless diamond of world literature, the Bible. You'll never know what wonderful results from reading it are around the corner until you open its covers. 3. Focus on others. For the next 21 days make an extra effort to help other people. Concentrating on assisting others will help you more than you realize. If you succeed in becoming wealthy but are poor in respect to your relationships, you will not be truly prosperous at all. So make a special effort of focusing on others during your 21 days of building your new positive attitude habit. This will free you up to allow the butterfly of happiness to land on your shoulder when you least expect it. 4. Take care of your health needs. It's hard to maintain a positive mindset if you've neglected your physical needs. So during the 21 days of your attitude retraining, make an extra effort to eat nutritious balanced meals. Not getting enough sleep will also be a tremendous hindrance, so make sure you're getting adequate rest. And don't forget to get enough exercise. When you feel down, try to take a brisk 30-minute walk. You'll feel revived. 5. Learn contentment. For the next 21 days focus on what you have and not on what you don't have. Live in the present and enjoy your blessings. Try to forget acquiring stuff for the purpose of keeping up with others. That only leads to more anxiety. Be thankful for what you do have instead. When going through difficult experiences, remember that adversity can be a blessing in disguise. You might learn some important lessons during those tough times, like Thomas Edison did. I know I have. These lessons can turn into credentials that will enable you to help others when they're going through tough times. So don't let negativity ruin your present and future. Instead, build a new habit of having a positive attitude. It will take about 21 days to start seeing consistent changes in the way you think, but it will be worth it. How about today?